Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to take you through the best link cloaking tool in this Pretty Links Pro demo. So with Pretty Links, you're able to make money from content you already have. So if I scroll down, one of the ways you can do this, for example, let's say you had a website with 50 blog posts and you had the keyword football on every single one of those 50 blog posts, and you want to add a link. So every time someone clicks football on one of your pages, it would be hyperlinked to another web page or an affiliate product, for example. Okay, so with Pretty Links, you can type in the keyword football and add it to all your posts and pages, and set the link you want whenever that word comes up to be linked to your affiliate product or other relevant page whenever football comes up as an anchor text. Okay, so that's one of the reasons. Other than that, if we scroll down here, the main two reasons for using Pretty Links is first to make your links look professional, and secondly to give you control of the statistics around your Pretty Links or your affiliate links or your shortened links. Okay, so for example, down here, if you were to mention in a YouTube video or podcast one of your affiliate products, and the affiliate link says, let's just say it was football, so it was football.com/78632BF247. okay, that might have been the link that your affiliate partner has sent you. Okay, it's not going to look professional when you mention that in a podcast or a YouTube video. So what Pretty Links enables you to do is make that link prettier. Okay, so your website might be greatfootballers.com, and then you could turn that link with all those numbers at the end, that affiliate link, you could turn it into greatfootballers.com /football discount. Okay, and then when someone types that in or clicks that link, it will take them straight to your affiliate product link with all those random numbers. That doesn't look very professional. So professional and stats are the two things we're focusing on with Pretty Links, and that's why you need to be purchasing Pretty Links. So let's go straight to it now. I don't want to keep you long on this video. So Pretty Links, I've already installed the pro version, so it's in my dashboard here in WordPress. Okay, so once you've installed it, it's very simple, as you know how to install a plugin. Once it's installed, you'll see it down here in your WordPress settings. So I've clicked here and I'm on Pretty Links. Okay, so if I click add new, I'll show you how simple it is. Add new will take me to here, and then you've got the basic settings. So you've got a title that you can add for your Pretty Link, so let's just call it football. The redirection, it can be a temporary link, it can be a permanent, cloaked. So you've got lots of these settings to play around with. Let's just say it's a permanent link because I want to send an affiliate product, send the audience to an affiliate product. So let's say it was football.co.uk/2EF, and that was my ugly affiliate link they sent me. Okay, if you look at that, not many people are going to want to trust that or click on that. So what I can do, if that's the target URL the affiliate partner has sent me, I can then put that as my target, and then I can change it. I can make it pretty and look more professional by changing it down here. So here's my website, so I could football discount. Okay, and that, if I was to refer to that, say if I was saying, oh, we've got these amazing new football boots. If you go to whrmarketing.com /football discount, okay, that sounds a lot better than saying we've got these amazing football boots. If you head to football.co.uk 2EF57Q27 and so on, you get the drill. Okay, it makes it so much neater, more professional. If you go to the advanced settings, you can make sure it's a no follow link so it doesn't come up on Google search. And if it's an affiliate link, okay, you're going to want to tick this, okay, for a sponsored link. As you can see here, you can forward the parameter if you want, and we've ticked tracking so we can see those stats on those affiliate links, and I'll take you into that in a minute. With the pro section, so this is what you get when you purchase Pretty Links, and it's really worth it because you have got an expire section which you can tick, okay, and you can set the date for that link to expire. So let's say it's Black Friday, or there's a sale on with your affiliate partners, okay, you can set they might have sent you a specific link just for Black Friday, okay, so you can set that to expire once Black Friday's up, or once whatever that sale's up, so the affiliate link or the Pretty Link will no longer show after that, okay. I mentioned this earlier, so you've got the keywords which you can replace within all your articles. So imagine you've got 100 articles with the word football, okay, I can type in football, and all my posts and pages, if they have the word football, it will make football into an anchor link, which will then link to this Pretty Link, which will then link to my affiliate product up here, okay. So it saves me manually changing 100 different pages, okay. So I can just add all those keywords, so I can separate with a comma, okay, it might be football boots. There is so much more to do. I can do the same thing with a URL as well. If I want to replace a whole URL, I can do that here. So I can just type the URL in, and then if I want it to now link to this Pretty Link, which then turns into the affiliate product, we can do that with ease, okay. And I can also add Google Analytics or Facebook retargeting pixels in the head scripts here, so I've got even more data, as well as the new dynamic redirection, okay, which gives you control of the redirection for this Pretty Link. For example, you can set it to geographic, technology, time, or rotation. But if I go back out of here, I want to show you Pretty Links in action. So that's how you'd add a new link. Then you just do update. Let me show you one in action. So if I go to my Pretty Link, so over here, the first thing I told you about was professionalism and making the links pretty. The second is about stats. So if you look here, some of my affiliate links, you can see all the clicks I've got here. So 866 clicks on this specific Pretty Link, okay. These stats are very important when you come to having more than one stream of income. For example, it might be a blog, a YouTube video, you might use your social media accounts differently. So how does that look? So if I look at Jungle Scout, which is one of the products I really recommend if you're an Amazon FBA seller, okay, I have got a Pretty Link set up here with 564 clicks. I've got another one here with 481 and another one down here with 280 clicks, okay. So if I click on two of them, I can see the stats. Let me show you. So let's open the stats, so I can see my stats this last month for this one. So I can see for this channel I've only had one click in the whole month, okay. So if that might have been the one I've used for Facebook only. So for Facebook, I've only got one click on my Jungle Scout links, okay. Whereas let me see this one here. If I open the stats on this, it's got less clicks, 280. How many have I got this month? But as you can see, this month, okay, I've got a lot more clicks coming each day, okay. And this is from my YouTube channel. So why are these stats important? Because I can target or retarget or enhance the channels that are specifically working for each affiliate product, okay. So in this case, my YouTube channel is driving more traffic, okay, than my Facebook page for Jungle Scout. On another affiliate product that I have, it might be that Facebook is working more than YouTube. So it allows me to see which streams are working best for my affiliate products, and which to make more effective. Okay, so if I go back here, we can see how one of the pretty links would work. We might as well open that Jungle Scout one up, and you can see the difference. So this is how it looks when it's all set up. So I've made this a 301 permanent redirect. So the target URL for this one, this is actually one of my, so let me just say this. So you don't just have to use affiliate links. So for this, I made a Jungle Scout review in 2019, okay, and I put 2019 in my URL. Obviously it's 2020 now, so I've updated my Jungle Scout review and made it more relevant with the features of 2020. So anyone who used to click on my Jungle Scout review 2019, okay, I have set up a pretty link to forward the parameter all the way to the new review of 2020. Therefore I'm not losing my audience. So that's what that looks like. Now let's look at the other Jungle Scout one. So here is my affiliate link for Jungle Scout. So they sent me this, but when I refer it to my audience, I wanted it even cleaner. So I've changed the affiliate link to whrmarketing.com/Jungle Scout. It's nice and simple. Okay, it looks clean and professional, and I can track the stats on that. I need to actually tick sponsored as it's an affiliate link, and if I wanted to, I could put the keyword here, Jungle Scout or Jungle Scout review, and anytime that word comes up in my posts, I could that the anchor would be linked to that now. Okay, so that is why the Pro is so amazing. So I'm going to update this anyway, and then I'll show you what that looks like when we click the actual pretty link. Okay, so I can copy this pretty link here. If I paste that in the search bar, whrmarketing.com/Jungle Scout discount, this one, and as you can see, it takes me to the affiliate link. Okay, so that basically sums up our pretty links review. So the two main points is pretty links, it makes your link cloaking more professional, and it gives you the stats and the data for you to be in control and make decisions on how to make your links more effective, okay, with whichever streams of revenue you're going to focus on. I'm just going to do a short summary again of the Pretty Links Pro features, because this is the most important one. This is why paying for Pro is so worth it. So if you have sales from your affiliate partners, or a Black Friday for example, or Cyber Monday, then you can add an expired link. Okay, so tick it, and then you can expire the link after a certain amount of dates, a certain amount of clicks, sorry, or a certain date, and then you don't have to worry about taking those pretty links off after. If I get rid of that. Keywords, imagine you, like I said, lots of you will have 50 to 100 to 200 blog posts. Imagine having to manually go through all of those to add an affiliate link to a certain anchor word. Okay, with this, like I said, it could have been football, comma, football boots, shin pads. It would, all of those words, if I had a blog on football for example, anytime those keywords come up, it would have been linked on the anchor text to my affiliate partners, okay, without me having to read through every single one of my blog posts and manually enter them in. Again, you can do the same with the URL replacement, and it's got the head scripts, which is key for data, again, with Google Analytics and Facebook. Okay, dynamic redirection, like I said, you can set it to rotation, a geographic location, technology, or time. Before we go, we have an exclusive WHR marketing discount for you when it comes to Pretty Links. So if you go to the link in the description, you can see that normally if you've got one site it would be £100, or sorry, $99 per year. With the WHR marketing discount you can get this for $49 a year, saving $50. Or if you go for the marketer, which is the most popular option, it will be $99 instead of $149. Or if you're a super affiliate, $149 instead of $199. Okay, so you don't have to use this link, but if you use it you're going to save $50. Okay, Pretty Links, in our opinion, is the best link cloaking and link shortening tool you can get, especially for WordPress. Okay, so 100% try it out, even if it's for a year. But I'm not going to guarantee, but I can almost certainly guarantee that you'll continue using Pretty Links for years after. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.